Okay, I'm going out. Already finished my coffee. I'm heading out. I got 3 calls today. I got that one from where I charged $1,500 for the spring change. He called me. He said the part came in on the garage door opener, so I'm going there today. I'll make another $400 there. I got to switch out this part on the opener under warranty. And then I got 2 other calls, so I got 3 total, and they sound like the batteries are beeping. So I'll just switch out the batteries. I'll make another $700-800 on those. So 3 easy little jobs. I'll make about $1,200. Probably total work time will be about an hour. All right. Forgot. See, I got to put on my shirt. I just took this one off. Now I'm putting this one on. You got to look the part. Okay. Now I'm a garage door guy. Got to take off the watch. Okay, I'm pulling up to the job here. And looks like they're blocking it with this stupid van. So I have to park on the street and walk down there, but I already know what it is. So I'm just gonna bring everything with me so I don't have to make 2 trips.
Hi, John. Hey.
I already brought everything in. I brought it in off the street so I don't have to go back to the truck.
Yeah. I guess eventually I'm gonna get rid of this wreath. It smells good though.
It's a real one?
You need us to move this car
No,
out?
no, I can get to it from this side right here.
All right. Well, I'm making lunch, so
okay.
Let me know.
I'll let you know when I'm done.
Okay.
I'm just changing the battery. Put that back in. Close it up. Here's the old battery. Here. Thank you. Okay. This is what I got. Took me 10 minutes. And this is what I changed. Old battery. And ready to go. Going on another one. Let's go do number 2. Okay, pulling up to job number 2. This is the door. Looks like it got holes all over it. Another battery. Beeping. Take that one off. Take that one off. There's another one. We've done both of them within an hour, and both of them have been a battery. See what's good about the LiftMaster batteries is they start chirping. They tell the customer they need to change the battery. Then they call us out. We still got one more to go, and that's almost 700 right there for 2 batteries. Took me less than an hour. I got them on my truck already. I'm gonna go to my next one. I'm gonna give them a call. I'm probably gonna go get a sandwich, actually. Probably close to 1100 today. Am I working hard? No. I'm gonna go eat. Talk at you. Don't want to waste my battery on this. Okay, I'm heading over to change out that little motor travel module on a newer opener. Never actually changed one before, but I'm gonna change it. It's on a belt drive. I used to change out Genie parts all the time, but I'm gonna have to take this motor head apart and change it. So you'll be there? Hey, I'm here. See, this is the part on the floor I'm changing out. Kind of heavy. It's a new motor, basically. And the motor's in here. We're taking this apart, taking the belt down. Okay, there's the old one on the floor. New one's in. I just put in back the body of the opener. And then I had to take it off of here. That's no big deal. I'll put that back on. Okay, door working again. And then the error code 15 is off. You see there? Error code 15, no more. Okay. Okay, I got 400 on that job there. So everything's done. That took me about an hour. I had to take apart the whole motor. And it wasn't hard. I actually wanted to try doing that one because, you know, I wanted to try changing out some parts. I used to change parts out every day. Change sequencer boards, transformers, capacitors, clutches, everything on the old Genies. I haven't done that in years, but I just wanted to change out the motor on that one. You know, everybody now just says get a new opener because nobody knows anything about them. And I took on the challenge and I did it. Yeah, I got $400 for it. And that was just on top of what he already paid me. I got paid for learning. There you go. But I probably won't do those anymore. You gotta take a lot of stuff apart. So anyway, job complete, $1,100 day. Started late and it's still sunny out. Look at it. How would you like to do that? Just get to the houses. The more houses you get to, the more money you're making. Kind of only doing this to show you guys how much garage door companies make when they work. Anyway, this is how it is. You just go out there and do them. Pick up the check and drive away. You guys should be doing this too. You could make your own times and you don't really have to work when you're working. It's easy money. But if I want to, I can take vacations whenever I want. I don't have to wait till someone says, this is your vacation. Nobody calling me, telling me where I gotta go, what I gotta do. Only ones that do are the ones that are paying me. That'll be the same with you. If you get in this garage door business, there's no other business like it. This is the best, most relaxing, enjoyable business to be in, the garage door business. You've never heard of it before, but a lot of times those secret things that you don't hear about, you don't hear about them for a reason, because the people that are in it don't want you knowing about it. I'm going out on the limb here, telling you guys this business needs garage door technicians, guys like me, going out and fixing them, that know how to do it, that have the parts, all that stuff. There's not enough of them. If you got in this business, you'd be as big as the guy that's been there for 30 years. Once you're in there and you know how to do it, you're going to be side by side with them. The customer gets online, they see you, they see them. They don't know the difference. If you have a better name, they're going to call you. I'll tell you how to do all that. I'll tell you what names that work better. I'm going to teach you all the little tricks. How to talk to customers, how to get the jobs, where to market yourself, what to charge even. We give you price sheets. How you get money out of people where they feel good about it. Not like you're there to rip them off. All right, so www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I'll see you in the course, and I'll probably talk to you on the phone. Don't hold back, because I'm telling you, you're going to forget about this, and then you're going to go down another road where you make no money. Get this under your belt. Once people know you do garage doors, your phone's just going to start ringing. I just talked to a guy yesterday. He owned a farm somewhere. He signed up. And he said, just by word of mouth, just talking, people have already said, I'm your next customer, because he's doing the course now. He's already fixed 2 doors since then. So anyway, I don't care where you live in this country, it's all the same. They have houses, they have garage doors on them. Their doors is gonna break. So that's what these are. These wear out. Garage doors are made to break. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. Over and out.